How to play white noise on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Hearing section at the top and tap on Audio and Visual. Here, go to Background Sounds. Then, go to Sound. You can view all the available background sounds over here. Select Bright Noise from here. Now, go back and turn on the background sound switch. This setting plays background sounds to mask unwanted environmental noise. Following these steps, you can easily play white noise on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.